File 10A. Listening.
Hello, and welcome to the program. Today we have scientist Doug McLeod in the studio with us. He's going to tell us about some of the everyday things we know and love that were invented by accident. Doug?
Hello, Janet. Well, I'm going to start with the microwave oven. In 1945, an engineer named Percy Spencer was testing some new radar equipment. He had a chocolate bar in his pocket, and while he was standing in front of the machine, it melted. After that, he also tried using the microwaves from the radar equipment to cook popcorn. Percy realized that microwaves could heat and cook food, and so the microwave oven was born.
How interesting. What else do you have for us, Doug?
Next is something that is found in hospitals all over the world, the X-ray machine. In 1895, a German physicist named Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with electrical rays in a dark room. He was directing them through a glass tube covered with black paper. Suddenly, he saw a light on a screen on the wall, and he realized that the rays could pass through the glass and the paper. After that, he experimented with his own hand and found that he could see the bones. The first X-ray ever made was an image of Röntgen's wife's hand. You can even see her wedding ring.
That's fascinating, Doug. We have time for one more.
Many different kinds of food were discovered by accident, Janet, and I've chosen something that we call potato chips, but the British call crisps. These were invented by a chef named George Crumb, who was working in a restaurant near Saratoga Springs, New York. A customer complained that the French fries he was served were too thick. The chef was angry about this, so he fried some very thin potatoes and covered them with salt. The customer loved them, and after that, Saratoga chips became popular all over the U.S. Eventually, they were produced for people to eat at home.
That was all very fascinating, Doug. Thanks for joining us.